Hello everyone. In this series, I'm going to teach you more about arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression and what is the nth term of arithmetic progression and what are the sum of this arithmetic progressions, so on. And let us know what is arithmetic progression. I have a sequence here. Suppose 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. Let me consider the first term as A1, second as A2, third as A3, then A4, A5. Subtract each term with its preceding term. Okay, now A1, I don't have any preceding term, 0. A2 minus, what is my preceding term? A1. A3 minus A2. A4 minus A5. Sorry, minus A3. A5 minus A4. A1 is 2. 2 minus 0 is nothing but 2. This is my A first term. Yes, I already have it. Next, A2. 5 minus A1 is 2. 8 minus 5, 11 minus 8, 14 minus 11. When I find out difference of all this, what will be the difference? Yes, 3. This will be for 3 and each one will, the difference is 3. And when I have the common difference between each number, and that I call it as common difference and represent it as D. Yes, and this is called as common difference between each number and a sequence with the common difference, I call it as arithmetic progression, and this sequence follows certain pattern. The example for arithmetic progression is this series of even numbers. Example 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. When I find the common difference between each number, it is nothing but 2. Yes, since it has the same common difference, the common difference between the numbers, it is an arithmetic progression. Odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7. When I find out the common difference, again it is 2 here. It is nothing but arithmetic progression, and it may be the multiples of any numbers like 5. If I consider multiples of 5, 10, 15, again the common difference is 5, which is an arithmetic progression, and the sequence which has the same common difference, then those sequences are said to be in arithmetic progression. Here I got a simple problem. Till now we understood what is arithmetic progression, and here I have a simple problem to verify whether it is an arithmetic progression or not. Understand the question here. A leading library has a fixed charges of rupees 50 for first 3 days and an additional charge of rupees 6 for each day after. So now we should verify whether it is an arithmetic progression or not. First 3 days is what? 50. For 3 days it is 50. What is my fourth day? It is 50 plus 6. The additional charges will be 6, which is equal to 56. What is fifth day? It is 56 plus additional charges 6 rupees, that is 62 rupees. What is my sixth day? 62 plus 6, which is equal to 68 rupees. Okay, now this is my A1, A2, A3 and A4. When I want to find out the common difference between these two, A2 minus A1, yes, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. A2 minus A1 is 56 minus 50. A3 minus A2 is 62 minus 56 and 68 minus 62. This is nothing but 6, common difference 6, 6. Yes, this is my D term. When I have D6 in the series, so I can say that it is an arithmetic progression. Let me write the final series. 50, 56, 62 and 68. This is what the final series of the given problem, and those numbers are an arithmetic progression because it has the 6 as its common difference. When we are writing the AP sequence, we generally write with the dots forward. Example 2, 4, 6, 8. This is an AP, and we say this is a AP sequence. And we should know what is the nth term of the sequence. Yes, and it is very important. And how to find the nth term of a sequence? Let me show you. First, let us represent this sequence in the terms of general representation. That is, here this we know that it is A. Yes, and general representation is A, and 4 can be written as A plus D. Yes, this is nothing but adding the difference. 4 minus 2 is 2. Adding 2 with this first term will get 4. Yes, and then the third term 6 I have. Can I write it as A plus 2D? Yes. Next term as A plus 3D, A plus 4D and so on. Yes. Now, this is written in the pattern like A is equal to first term. Yes. This can be written as A plus, I don't have any D term here, so D term should be 0 now. How can I make it as 0? 1 minus 1 into D. 1 minus 1 is 0, into D is 0. Next, A2, second term. Yes, second term as A plus 2 minus 1 into D. Third term, A3. A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Simultaneously, you can just write the numbers here and verify. Since we have D is equal to 2 here in this series, you can directly substitute the value of 2 and you can verify whether it follows the sequence or not. A4 is equal to fourth term. This is general way of writing the arithmetic progression. 4 minus 1 into D. Okay. Now, what will be our nth term? An is equal to A nth term is equal to A plus, instead of 4, we are writing it as n. That is nth term. N minus 1 into D. What is our nth term? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula what we should keep it in our mind, and this helps to solve problems also. So when we have first term, it is 1 minus 1, second term 2 minus 1, third term 3 minus 1, fourth term 4 minus 1. Similarly, for the nth term, n minus 1 into D. And this is how we are going to find the nth term of an AP.